Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my Facebook page. This is the look I'm creating for you today, and there is no liquid foundation and there is no concealer, but this is how it's going to look. We're going to keep it simple and natural. I'm on vacation in Thailand, Koh Samui, and I've extended it. And I was here with my team. We were shooting for content, and then I stayed back and my husband's joined in. So the next 3-4 days, I will also capture my makeup for you guys. These next few days are going to be very easy looks. It's humid out here and it's rainy, so I'm not going to use any concealer and I'm not going to use any liquid foundation. I've done my skin routine, I've done my sunscreen, but before makeup, I always like to moisturize my face. Today I'm using the Ashwagandha Bounce Cream by 82E. This is also a cream that I really like. I've tanned a lot, so I'll just stick to powder foundation. I'll just go in with my Studio Fix, which is a powder foundation, just to even out my skin a little bit. Today I'm going to start with my lipstick and then decide what I want to do around it. I always like to prime my lips with a nude lip liner. It's up to you if you want to. I like it because I like the look that comes after it, and the lipstick stays longer. This is a very neutral lip liner. The darker one, which is Plum by MAC, goes with most lip shades. This is to define the lips. This is quite a favorite lipstick of mine. It's called Stunt by Kalapa. It's a nude shade that goes with most Indian skin tones. I like to set my eyebrows with a gel. Then take any neutral shade. This is a neutral palette, so take any neutral shade. I'm going to use this one. This is a little orangish and it will go with my dress. And this one is the PAC 204 brush. It's a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use this shade to contour my upper eyelid. If you get into the habit of contouring your upper eyelid, makes a huge difference to the makeup you do. Bring it down a bit. Take it up to the crease line. This is your guide. But if you have hooded eyes, you take it further up. Blend it well. If you use a soft brush like this, it just blends on its own. Always tap off the extra powder or the eyeshadow. I'll just use a little Kajal on my lower waterline. Kajal on my lower waterline. It's the easiest eye makeup that most people do. But if you add this, add the step of the eye contour with this, your Kajal look also, which is the simplest look, will look really nice. Now, because I want my kajal to stay longer, I'm going to smudge it out. What happens is when you smudge out the kajal, the thickness depends on you. You don't have to necessarily make it thick. When you smudge it out, the brush pulls out the oil out of the kajal and it doesn't bleed later. It doesn't spread later. It stays. So just take a smudge brush or a pencil brush. This one is discontinued, but pencil brushes and smudge brushes are available in various number of brands. Just keep one in your kit. Now I'm going to smudge out the Kajal. For me, easy vacation makeup really needs to be easy and quick. But like I said, these easy looks are what I see most women want. So might as well. Now if you want to make it a little more smoky, you take a dark brown and you smudge it further, but I'm not doing that. I'm going to just use a mascara. If you're scared of using mascaras, which is a common fear between a lot of women, because of the removal part, just use a baby oil or a coconut oil, soften it and use a baby wipe. It'll all come off. Avoid a waterproof mascara because that is tougher to get off. Now if you apply the blush on in this angle, you won't need to contour. It'll give you a contoured look. Blend it out well. I'm going to touch up my powder foundation and then we're done. I'm just touching up my powder foundation. This is usually the kind of look that I'm known for, and something that you can even do to work or a humid day where you just highlight your eyes and your lips and a bit of your cheek and you're sorted. I don't like using liquid foundation too often, but if you need a concealer, as you know, you sometimes need to conceal a few spots, then you go for it. But the lighter the makeup, the more natural the look. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Sreenanda Shankar. Go for the playlist called My Daily Makeup. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then my Facebook makeup dedicated page is called Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you. I'll see you soon with something super easy. Take care.